Boston's news leader. This is WCVB News Center 5.
Hi, everybody. I want to update you on what's going on. We're going to take you through this storm. You know, the blizzard warning is staying in effect. Actually goes into effect at 7 p.m. this evening. That's when the conditions really start to deteriorate as the snow picks up and the wind increases all the way to 1 a.m. on Wednesday. So that's a 30-hour period. Now, there'll be gusts that could reach 65 to 75 miles per hour. That would be occurring very, very late tonight and well into the day tomorrow. Widespread 18 to 24-inch snowfalls are likely. There could be pockets that are even above that. As for wind gusts, the very strongest likely to be around the Cape, where it could reach 70 miles per hour. I wouldn't be shocked if there's some hurricane-force gusts around the outer Cape and Nantucket, about 60 miles an hour down on the South Shore, 50 to 60, perhaps even in Boston and certainly Cape Ann, and a little less, but still very windy over the interior with this storm. And, of course, that makes it multifaceted. So coastal flooding, a real concern. A couple of high tides, one coming up around 4:30 in the morning, another one around 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Because I mentioned those gusts at least could be to hurricane strength, and because there's going to be so much wind and so much snow, and down over southeastern Mass and the Cape where the snow is wetter, that's the greatest likelihood of seeing some power outages with this storm. It's also a big concern. A little bit farther inland where the winds are still strong but not enough to create a blizzard warning, it's just a winter storm warning for an awful lot of snow and wind. Now let's get into what's happening. The edge of the steady snow is lifting to the north. There have been some ocean effect flurries that have moved in from Boston to the western suburbs and parts of the North Shore and Merrimack Valley, but this is now the area that looks like it's going to be approaching the Mass Pike. That's just the edge of the steady light snow within the next hour or so. Some of the bands are getting heavier already once you get into it, and you can see how close to the Mass Pike the leading edge of the steady snow is. So do expect deteriorating conditions to begin late today and then really go downhill during the course of tonight. Overnight tonight into tomorrow, there's going to be 1 to 2, even 3-inch per hour snowfalls, and there could even be a couple of pockets, a couple of different hours that could have 4-inch per hour snowfalls. So this is not going to be completely done till late tomorrow night or early Wednesday, last ending along the coast. As I mentioned, widespread 18 to 24, but pockets, even near the coast, could be over 2 feet. Also, there's always a possibility of a favored area around northwest Rhode Island, northeast Connecticut, a lot of Worcester County on up to the Monadnock region of New Hampshire. We'll stay on top of this. News Center 5 is going to begin at 4. We'll be with you from 4 to 6:30 p.m. Then we'll be back with you from 7 to 8 p.m. and a full hour at 11 p.m. to midnight tonight. So we'll see you next half hour, and again, full report starting at 4. I'm meteorologist Harvey Leonard, now into regularly scheduled programming.